From time to time, when we live a life that is opposed to true love, God allows some events and experiences to shake us up. It could come from embarrassing and humbling situations. It could also come from disappointments. Sometimes health situations and frustrations in business could be that divine nudge for us to come back to our senses. God uses every available channel to call us to repentance because He loves us. Listening to those nudges is in our best interest. It's love for us and a call to our restoration. Keep learning from those experiences when they come. Do not ignore the learning curve that precedes a better tomorrow. God love you and God bless you. Stay inspired, my friend. Spread the word with others.